Today I'll show you how to remove and reattach the AK's rear side leaf. I'll be replacing this export version that is limited to 300 meters to this beautiful one viewer organized for me that goes up to the, let's say, optimistic range of 1 kilometer. The tools you will need for this is first a hammer in genuine AK fashion, a screwdriver, and any old rag that you stumble upon. The basic gist of this is under the rear side leaf there's this spring and it points upwards, so it keeps the rear side leaf in place. And what you will be doing is using the screwdriver, you want to place it in the middle of the ridge and give it a good smacking into this direction. So let's say this is 90 degrees upwards from the rifle, you want to be 45-degree angle. And by smacking it, you will also detent the spring by forcing it down, and the rear side leaf will be flying off. So this is where the towel or the rag comes into play, because you want to place it over the rear side leaf so it doesn't fly away. Place the rag on top, also will protect your finish. And then now with the screwdriver, find that ridge in the middle. You really want to place it here and then give it a good smack. So let me demonstrate. Like this, and the rear side leaf comes right off. So once you have removed the rear side leaf, inserting the new one is quite easy. Same procedure, maybe a bit less violent. You want to align these two nubbins right there, so coming from the side of the shooter, push it right up to there and you will start to feel the resistance of this little spring, pushing the leaf forward while detenting the spring as good as you can. Once again, using the screwdriver, and push the rear side leaf forward. There you go. Needs a towel just because it's then more comfy to push on the rear side leaf. And there you go, it's installed. Do a function check. This can or should move freely and you're good to go. So while we're at it, I just want to talk about these kind of rear side leaves. They're a bit special in comparison to your regular AK rear side leaves because they have this mechanism where you can adjust it based on windage, so moving to left and right. And this is used for weather such as heavy winds in order to compensate for this, or while also aiming at fast moving targets. So the installation process is totally the same, it's just that this two blades are adjustable with this mechanism here. So quite cool. They're commonly found on RPK variants, but also other AK variants do have them occasionally. So that's all there is for today. As always, stay safe and have fun.